Bitcoin is preparing for the next big move, Bratan. This is what we will speak in this video right now. So therefore, you have to watch this video, or if you are in our Telegram group, it's absolutely for free. I told you already that we saw today in the night, we saw here big liquidation week of the longs to the downside, right? You see here to liquidate all the longs, and right now we see a pump, right? So I show you also in a second right now my trades, and we reached also, like I told you in the Saturday's video on the weekend, we perfectly reached here again 25k. So this was an easy day trade for us. If you have still a long position open, then in my opinion we will break in the next days inevitably this weekly resistance, because we are 1, 2, 3 times retested it, and you know, the more you retest a resistance or support, the more likely we will break it to the upside. So therefore, I expecting here, I mean, we see right now live here pump. I expecting here that we will break it to the upside. The one of the resistance lines at 25,800, but the real big one is coming at 27,400, 27,500, because this is a big weekly and monthly resistance line. So this is a trade opportunity of 10%. Yes, bratans, this is a long opportunity of 10%. I mean, potentially we could set here, if you are not already in a long, you have to do your own research, but potentially this could be a long position. I'm already in a long of stop loss slightly below this monthly resistance. I would say below 23,850. So this would be risk reward ratio of 2.8. This is an amazing risk-reward ratio with a price tag of 27,500. In my opinion, not a financial advice. Do your own research. I show you quickly also my trades here. One of my trades is right now around $3,250 in profit, and the second one I show you. And the second one is right now $19,600 in profit, 934% in profit. So this looks amazing right now, Bratan. And let us also watch Ethereum. About Ethereum, I also wrote you, because Ethereum price target is also very clear. You see, we also Ethereum retested here once, 2, 3, and the 4th time we will break it. And I expecting Ethereum right now to go, I mean, not right now, but in the next days, as soon as we break the weekly resistance, I expect that we will Ethereum see at 1,837, so 7.4% long opportunity in my opinion. Not a financial advice, but do your own research, because it's your responsibility, your money. I show you only the opportunities which I see, or because I'm also in the long right now. So this could be potentially with stop loss below 1,650, with price tag 1,833, so 2 risk reward ratio of 2. In my opinion, yes, I am expecting here further upside, because this cool down, we needed this cool down. We needed to cool down the RSI, and right now we see, if we are going here on the 4-hourly, we see here the 4-hourly RSI is cooling down. We are right now or cool down. We are at 62 right now, so this looks amazing. Let us quickly watch smart money, dump money. Yes, the smart money dump money indicator showing us also the red line. You see this red line showing us that dump money thinks that we are going further to the downside, but if dump money thinks that we are going forward to the downside, we see a pump, right? Because if this red line is above, then dump money thinks we are going further up, then we see dump. If, like it's right now, the red line is down, then we see that dump money thinks that we are further going to downside, so we usually see a pump. It's all about probabilities, not certainty, so therefore do your own research. The probability that we will see pump is very, very likely. However, obviously, as soon as we break monthly resistance with a clear 4-hourly candle, then we could see Bitcoin dumping to 22,400. But that, I don't expecting it. I expecting really to 70, 80, 90% that we will see Bitcoin pump to the weekly and monthly resistance. But in the big picture, it's very clear. In my opinion, the big picture, it's very clear that the relief rally is not over, because we broke above. We can make this line even right now white, because it's turned into support. You see on the weekly we broke clearly above this monthly resistance, very, very clear. I mean, still 6 days to go, but this is a very clear sign for me that we will see Bitcoin pump to 27,500, or maybe even to 36,400. You know, this white line is coming from 2020. You see support, support, it would turn here into resistance. So in my opinion, this is very clear. Altcoins which I'm watching is FXS. You know FXS we bought at $6, but even right now, in my opinion, it's a good buying opportunity, not a leverage trade, but a buying opportunity to $17. I'm expecting at least that we will see at $14 again. I mean, here we saw it already, but I'm expecting even to $17 to go. So it's 58%. This one of the altcoins which I always write about, wrote in the Telegram group, which das Zuckerblatt, you know what I mean. And also AGX, it's one of the AI coins. I expecting at least to go to the all-time high at 66 cents, so 65%. Also opportunity. I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't leverage trade. I would it buy on spot. Also FED is one of the coins, and also some more. We see also right now the dollar. The dollar is very interesting because the dollar is right now, we see a bounce here of the dollar, and we are right now at this resistance. So I'm expecting the dollar to dump, and if we see dollar dumping, then we see Bitcoin pumping. You know it already. Also very important to watch the S&P 500. The S&P 500 needed a cool down. You see we broke the big resistance line, 2 years resistance line. So if we even more cool down, this is very healthy, but I still expecting here pump as long as we're not breaking again inside or below this big resistance, white resistance line. You see this big resistance line which we watching for months. You see it's from 2021, so I'm expecting here that we will see a pump of the S&P 500 also. So bratans, if you want to join this Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, not only Telegram group, also I have on Discord channel a crypto trading course, which is also absolutely for free. How you can join it, bratans, I explain you. It's very easy. It's basically 2 steps. Make a registration only in the description. Make a registration on Bybit through my link. Deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. So very easy. If you want, you can join it. We have also a professional trading group, which is where we charge $30 per month. We will increase to $100 per month. Why? Because we have there a real crypto teacher, which same like a school, online school, right? So you can ask them question. Also we have report of new altcoin hidden gems, really several pages, but this more for professional one. For the beginners and for the mid one, this free crypto trading course and this free Telegram group is absolutely enough. So thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and if you have any questions, I see you in Telegram group, and you will see also if I'm increasing my trades, if I'm closing my trades, if I'm opening a short, more information there. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.